And hello! We're back again with another microwave. Seems these come and go pretty darn quickly. Just a plain Jane DANBY microwave. This one was manufactured on the 4th month of 2010, so that was 10 years old. I guess it had finished its journey. 10 years as a microwave. It has a couple safety screws on here, and the ones that it has a little pin in the center, I think. Maybe not, maybe just a star that's rounded and hard to get off. I don't know if I have a nut driver for that or not, but I have these. They're vice grips, and since they're going to grab it from the outside like that, they could care less what kind of screwdriver it really wants to have. And these are here so that you cannot take it apart at home and electrocute yourself, because it has a lot of juice in there, especially once it'll last a little while after it's turned off. As long as this one's been off, probably pretty safe. I don't know, because I just stay away from the parts that's supposed to be able to bite you, and then I don't have to worry about it a whole lot. Come on now, get on out of there. Spend all day taking 2 safety bolts out, 2 bolts that you're unable to remove on your own, and that way you don't get electrocuted. But obviously, as with a lot of homeowners, especially guys, there's no way to keep them from getting into something, because they figure a way to get in there even if they're not supposed to. It's for your own good we put these on here, so you cannot electrocute yourself. But look, there goes the man trying to find a way to get in there anyhow. And he has removed the 2 safety screws, and now the nut could get in there. Alright, let's get the rest of them off of there. They're just normal Phillips. The rest of the cage. There's them. There's one here. Shouldn't remove these other 2 here, because they probably are holding the heavy stuff together and place in there, but you know us. We don't listen. We just go at it. Yeah, that one feels like it's holding. Might be a fan though with all those vent holes, but that might not be so bad. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I don't know if I really need this label. I don't need any of them, but I mean, it doesn't say much, but they could fill up some space on the book. Oh, I tore it up anyhow, so that answers that question. Come here and get this one out here. And this one out here. It's got, oh, 1 toe broke on it already, but there's still one there. And there's that one. And over here, it must be the same over here. Oh, 2 on that side, 1 on this side. So I didn't need 2 on both sides. Let's turn it upside down and lay it down. Let's see how many screws we can find on the bottom. That go to things. There's one. There's piece of grass out the bottom of it. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, let's get them in the bucket. Get one over here. And one here. And one here. Most of these microwaves are very close and similar into their way they're constructed. It's a good thing about them. You do one or two, they're not too bad. They're mostly all the same after that. Not 100%, but mostly. I gotta get me an electric screwdriver one of these days. Might make it a little less, but at the same time I like the slowness of this and the work it gives to hands and fingers. Now that might be the transformer there. It might fall down and go boom, but nope. So far not. Oh, now it sounds like something fell. There's that side. That side. Piece of foam right there, which we don't need. And come back over here. Got that side mashed down. Where you going there with the game? The bottom plate off of there. That's the bottom. Give me them wire cutters so I don't have to spend all day dealing with. Mr. Conan! Come on. There you go, thank you. I think this is the flux capacitor. Flux capacitor. Enough of these on your bicycle? Boom! You can go anywhere.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Where you're going, that's right. We're going straight to Hades. There will be no roads for you there. Stop. Okay. Oh, look, here's a tiny little motor. This tiny little motor just spins around and around. It's the little motor that makes the plate in the microwave go round and round and round.
That ain't a whole lot.
No, it's not. It's a tiny.
But you could use it to do other things.
You can do it, yeah. Anything that you want to go round and round, or you can put an arm to it that could do other things other than just go round and round. It's a funny. And there, look, it was right. There was the big old heavy transformer right screwed to the bottom. Like I thought it was.
Oh no!
Oh!
I actually ended up breaking my.
Broke the bottle?
No, the bottle's
The
fine,
lid.
but the lid's broke.
Broke the lid, darn.
That's
The water bottle.
I'm gonna buy new ones anyway. Pretty convinced I put this
Danger
in the
high
garbage.
voltage.
dang.
That's heavy. Copper and steel.
Just the
Hey,
cat
hey,
crying in the background.
hey. You can come in and if you need to come in. I mean,
I'm just gonna put some water in this.
yeah, that's all right. Yeah, I guess you can drink it without a lid, huh?
Yeah, I just can't refreeze it.
Yeah. Set it up right. Well, it was time to retire it anyhow.
I know. I have been for a while.
Well, I mean, you retired his friend the other day, so.
Yeah. Then I saw this one was also having similar signs of age.
Uh-huh.
One of them's like much older than the other one. So.
All these wires, let's get the wires.
As often as I practice doing that, it's only a matter of time before I break something. Every now and then I drop a bottle, but
At least it's a bottle of water, bottle of ice instead of a bottle of vodka.
yeah.
some pricey item. And there's the door, part of the way off.
A bottle of Grey Goose.
Yeah. Oh, there's a screw there.
Probably like the best vodka I've ever had.
Grey Goose.
Yeah, out of all the ones I've tried, Grey Goose is one of the better ones. But not the regular one, because there's a few flavored ones.
Uh-huh.
But I think there's like an orange and a peach one. But there's even like a, I think green apple or something. Yeah, it's the black cherry is the one that is the best.
I just took the screw out of it. I got all the screws.
It's not even you can
What's going on there?
No, well, that's in there. Yay. Oh.
Why they got red gook on these screws?
This video was brought to you by Grey Goose.
Just so they can tell if you took the door off or not. Alright, now let's see. Now do you want to go?
I wish I could get a Grey Goose sponsorship.
Yeah, eh?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Well, there's the microwave door. Has a little bit of metal on it. Plastic. Let's get it over there. Up. Now we got the. It looks like aluminum, but it's like a stainless steel, but it's not much of a stainless steel because I see stains on it.
Very stainless.
Hold down.
Stainless steel.
Compartment.
Stained steel.
It looks like a little roof.
Hello. Light cover.
Wolfgang's interested.
Yeah. He's probably the only one watching the video today.
You get in the front row seat.
He'll watch it every day with me. Yeah, I'll watch it with you. I like it. I like you, dude. Alright, another cord of copper wire. Probably the most valuable piece in there. And back to the Phillips screwdriver. And remove screw after screw after screw. Here's the wires. I don't know why it has two to each side of the little light, but it does. And the little light is held by little pieces that you bend over with your finger. And look. 10-year running and the bulb's still good. They should make everything like they make them good light bulbs. Funny how they put a light bulb in the microwave and they almost last forever. I shouldn't say it. They all do because, I mean, I have a microwave right there and the bulb's blown in it. And I have plenty of bulbs I could put in it. But, you know, not much interested in taking my own microwave apart to put bulbs in. That would be preposterous. Preposterous? What am I talking about? Like, get this screw, come on. Quit fooling around. Taking too long on one microwave. There's no profit in this. How could there be any profit? You take forever. Fan. Get it out of there and get it loosened up enough. Okay, for now, let's just clip the wires right there because you can sell 2 pieces of copper wire as easy as one. That's why I don't mind cutting them. Just try to keep decent pieces instead of little tiny pieces. Another screw, a little tiny steel plate. If I had these for steel plate, I'd be alright, but I don't. Alright, so there's the fan. Has a little electric motor in it. Copper wire there. Some more copper wire there, a little fuse there. Not much else to it, but copper and a fan. And a little motor if you want to just put the motor to work. The fan to work or the motor. It's much lighter now. Let's get, oh my goodness, these off of there. Dun, 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 dun. And a couple more here. I'm gonna lose my camera operator soon. We'll reach bedtime. Another one, another one, another one. Some more magnets in here. And I know I love magnets. Love the magnet. Love the magnet. Let's turn it this way for a minute. Get a couple screws out on this side. A little black on the box there. There it is saying. So does that mean it was having some little electric problems from time to time? Could be. Could be. Another little piece of tin. Micro switch. Protects against excessive radiation emission. Well, we want to protect against all radiation emission. Look, a nice piece of hard rubbery plastic might come in handy for something somewhere. There we go. Got this piece. Come on now, why are y'all so hard to unplug? There's only one left, so let's do that. There we go. It's cool, it's got these nice little socks on the wires there. They're cool to save for insulating something else later if you need. Give me the pliers so I can just pull these things off there. There's one. There's the other. Same with this. And this. If I needed any wire pieces, boy, I'd have plenty, wouldn't I? More stuff to throw away. So much litter. Look at these nice little socks, wire protectors. They'll come in handy on something somewhere someday, I'm sure. These little tiny short pieces, just put on into the recycle and send it on to the government. Let them recycle that along with the plastic. Because I'm not able to recycle it. Plastic, not too good. Okay, there's all of this. Let's pull that off. Pull that out. We're about to get everything removed. Let's clip these because they might be to that little motor, I'm not sure. Put that one. Put it there. So what's going on with all this spaghetti? What, Conan? Kitty Cat's crying. He said, stop all that recycle stuff. Come in here and sit down near me, but not too close. Funny kitty cat. Now I can see what's going on. Set the flux capacitor back over there. See about this one. That's a heavy duty screw there. Da-da-da-da. And another one. Come on now. Gotta quit humming any songs with too many notes. That's copyright. There we go. We got that little piece of plastic out. It's got these couple switches in there. Oop. There's one. There's another one. Just don't use our finger because we always poke it. Okay. There you go. The little switches. I don't know if I ever have any need for them, but if I ever have a need for them, I have plenty of them. If not, they'll make their way in the recycle bucket. Get recycled away. Yeah, I know you can't see what I'm doing here, but I'm just trying to get this switch out of this little plastic doodad without stabbing myself in the stomach or hands, because that's never any fun, especially over junk. Come on out of there. Why are you so stubborn? Dang it. Very stubborn. Remind me of my second grade teacher.
I thought you were going to say second kid.
Not when he's in the room. And if he don't watch my videos, he'll never know.
Dang it.
Now you have to watch all my videos just to see.
Just have them on loop while I do things. You listen to them in the background. You're insulting me! Don't insult me!
You listen to the background.
No.
He watches them on videos in the background on mute. Still don't know how they got insulted. Alright, another piece of plastic goes in the bucket for the city's recycling project. We don't want to get involved in the city's recycling projects. Alright, we're down to nothing now except for the panel, the little control box here on the front. Looks like this one has a couple of little plastic doodads here that make it come off of there. Oh, already metal. That's even better. Oh, that's a cockroach. Yeah, run, kitty, I would too. We don't need any of that around here, but that's what that is right there. That's a cockroach. She's been dead for a long time, which is a good thing. Haven't seen many of them around in a while. But anyhow, let's get this screw out right here, because that might make it where we can't work. And yes, I'm trying to work this, make it work for me, but actually that's kind of not good if you can't see it. So let's turn this away, and maybe you can see it. Let's see how these things here work. There you go. Got that side off. Got that side off. There's a little control panel. The back side. And it has a few screws. We'll just go ahead and pop them out of here. And it should have silver behind the keypads, and this little wire control that runs from this board to that has silver. Not much, but it's still got silver in it. It'll all add up eventually. Take this one. A couple of screws out of here. There's a little motor there. A couple of switches. I'm not sure what this little doodad's called, but it's really cool too. It's got a little piece of silver, sometimes gold in it. Da-da-da. There you go. Now what? Looks like all of them, yeah. Okay, let's see if we can unplug this. And it did, and can't see, I think them are normal in there, the teeth, but there's the little clock that ran on your microwave, control panel, and a bunch of little thingies that's worth something that I can't think of the name of at the moment. So, and yes, these are silver. This wire is going to be silver. And basically that's it, other than taking the face piece off. But I see it has a bunch of little fingers in here that are bent over, which I find to be unusual. Usually it's just glue. So props to this microwave maker. They're better than you think. They're the kind you see in a lot of stores, shop and goes, convenience store type things. Oh, there's one more there. Where you go in and microwave up your little burrito or hot dog pretty quick. Oh, don't stab yourself now, dummy. So yeah, a little piece of tin did all that for it, to get that little piece of tin off of the plastic there. But it should make it easier to get this face plate here to start up. There you go. Let's peel that off. Peel that part off, which has basically nothing on it. It has a little silver residue on the back of it. And then now here, one more piece. One more piece and we're done. Oh, don't stab yourself in the palm of the hand. That would hurt. Especially over 10 cents worth of silver. I don't know how much it is, but I would not doubt there's much there. Sometimes on the really good older microwaves it's gold here, not silver, but it's rare. So there you go. All the push buttons and the little pieces back here that you see, that's all silver. Those little wires that's laying in there, silver. It says, I don't know, I can't read the Oriental numbers, so. Huh. So okay, that's that. And that's that. And some trash. That. And that's about going to do us. We got her all taken apart. And we can pack it full of other metal. Excess radiation emissions. We're using microwaves all the time and we don't even have no idea that excess radiation warning labels stuck everywhere in them. Radiation? What radiation? What is he talking about? Yeah. We wish. I have to spin that ear over there like that. Let's see if we can get this one to bend over. Yeah, very easily. Now we got a little box. We can stack all our junk metal. Start with this piece inside of, and there you go, microwave complete. So thanks for hanging out and watching me play with that old microwave we took apart, making all these parts. It was fun. We'll see you next time. Bye.